Hi everyone, happy Monday again. So I would like to ask this question. Do you know how important you are as a person? Do you know how good you are as a person? This question might be something that you not commonly hear about or you don't really being asked about commonly. No. And the reason why I would like to ask this is it's a self-reflection of actually knowing your true worth as a person. And it is when you know your worth that no one can make you feel worthless, feel tiny, feel underconfident, feel small, or whatever, you know, inferior feelings that you have. Because if you have lowest self-esteem and you feel down, wala kang matatapos. But if you feel good and confident about yourself, knowing that your true value is, knowing your worth is, and your head becomes clearer, you are going to accomplish a lot more. So it is very important for us to actually know our true value, as a person. Knowing your worth is actually fundamental in self development. There are several reasons that I want to talk about very quick of why it is important for us to know our worth. Number one, self validation. Understanding your worth means recognizing your true value and contributions, as a person. Sa trabaho, sa pamilya mo, sa friendships niyo, whatever, you're contributing it. This self-validation actually prevents you from seeking constant approval from others. So it allows you to actually stand firm in your beliefs and actions. So that's one, self-validation. Number two, um, you become aware of your boundaries and respect. So when you know your worth, you establish healthy boundaries. So you are less likely to tolerate disrespect, or mistreatment as you understand that you deserve better. So this leads to, relationships that are based on mutual support and respect. Number three, decision making. When it comes to decision making, you know, you become confident in making decisions that align with your true desires and goals. So you are more likely to pursue opportunities that are beneficial to you and avoid those are not. You become more intentional in your decision making because you know your true value and already. No? Next is self improvement or self development again. No? So recognizing your worth, encourages you to invest more in yourself. No, you are more likely to pursue education, skills training, leading to more meaningful and fulfilling uh interactions with others. So yeah, self improvement. Next is authenticity. You become more authentic to your true self. Confidence on your worth allows you to be authentic. So you can express yourself genuinely without the fear of judgment, leading to more meaningful and fulfilling uh interactions with others. Okay, so you believe more on your potential, on what the things that you can do more, as a person. So, yun, you become more authentic. And then siguro last is yung nagkakaroon ka ng optimism, positive mindset. So, when you have a positive mindset, and understanding your worth actually allows you to have a positive mindset because you are more likely to focus on your strengths and achievements, on the things that you're good at, rather than your shortcomings, your failures, your past mistakes, your weaknesses. that actually boosts, your overall uh confidence and well-being. So those are the things that, make sense when it comes to knowing your true worth, your value as a person. So how the next question would be, how are we going to recognize yung worth natin? Of course, di ba? May magagandang reasons why we should know your worth, But how are we going to do that? So number one, you have to reflect on yourself, self-reflection, regularly reflect on your achievements, on your strengths, on your unique qualities you bring to the table, as well as yung weaknesses mo where you can improve at. Yung mga past mistakes mo na kailangan mo nang itama. So maganda diyan, mag-practice ako. I'm personally, taking notes. I have my own journal right now, no? Digital man yan or I have my notebook. I still take notes about myself, reflect upon myself, ano yung mga bagay na i-improve ko sa sarili ko. Ito mga sinasabi ko dito, I'm taking note of this one. So maganda siya, no? Self-reflection. Another thing is you have to set goals. Constant setting of goals. Kasi ano yan eh, as long as you grow, naging proportional din yung goal natin of course our milestones eh. So you have to set and achieve personal and professional goals, reinforcing your sense of accomplishment and capability. Kasi mas nabu-boost yung confidence mo kapag nakikita mo na nag-grow ka sa person. Yung mga goals mo na-achieve mo natutupad mo o naaabot mo yung goals mo. No matter how small it is or big it is, maganda na re-record mo siya, nado-document mo siya. Number three, you have to surround yourself with positive, influence. So being in the right circle of friends is very, very important. Walang toxic, safe space, and of course, we have the same values, we have the same vision and same goals in life. Napaka-importante nun. So you have to build a network of supportive and encouraging people who can reinforce your value. Yung hindi siya for self-affirmation or seeking again approval from others, but you're actually helping yourself and others by sharing values to each other. Kaya napakahalaga ng isang community, no? And then pang-apat is self-care. You have to practice self-care. If you want to feel confident about yourself, you have to know your worth and you should make yourself worthful, Kailangan alamin mo i-improve mo yung sarili mo. If you need good physics, if you need good clothes, if you need good shoes, if you need good hair, improve yourself, no? Hindi lang yung physical, pati yung mental, social well-being mo, you have to take care of yourself. Invest in yourself. Deserve mo yan. Kasi if you are not, you don't feel good about yourself, ang hirap magtrabaho, ang hirap maging productive, ang hirap malaman ano ba talaga yung worth mo. So you have to, actively improve yourself, feel yourself, make yourself feel confident, no? So, sa paanong paraan mo naman gusto. Kasi you just have to feel good. No? Kasi when you feel good, you can do more. You feel confident, you can be more. No? So, practice self-care. Invest in yourself. And lastly, siguro, seek feedback. Ito yung kagandahan din ng may magandang community or you have good people na nasa paligid mo na hindi lang taga-affirm mo or taga-puri sa'yo. No. A good community and a good circle of friends can give you good feedbacks. When you say good feedbacks, it doesn't mean positive, but positive yung intention, no? Na yung community or circle of friends mo na magsasabi sa ng where you can improve at, they will they will give feedback sa mga things you can improve na hindi mo nakikita, no? So yung constructive feedbacks na yon can help you actually understand more your impact sa ibang tao and ano rin yung mga areas of improvement mo para ma-validate yung efforts mo and yung guiding growth mo as a person. So, knowing your worth is not an overnight process. Ang hilig ko sa term na overnight process. No? But it is a continuous journey of self-discovery and affirmation. So, it actually empowers you to live confidently, make sound decisions, and build healthier relationships, ultimately, leading to a more fulfilling life. So kung tinatanong mo how good you are as a person, do you know your true worth as a person? Magandang aware ka. Kasi in that awareness, you become confident na you have value, you have a purpose, and you matter. And you matter not because of what you do or what you are as a person, but simply because you exist. You don't know your value yet, no? Minsan di natin nakikita yung sarili natin, we feel hopeless, we feel useless, we feel worthless, but no, you matter because you simply exist. You don't know the people, living a life because of you. You don't know the impact that you bring towards other people. And you have to recognize that. That's your true value. You are enough just as you are. And the world is much brighter because you are in it. So happy Monday, everyone. That's my short sharing for you this week, and have a great, great week ahead.